Thank you for joining us on Data Cloud Now, where we bring you the latest in all things data in business and industry. I'm now joined by James Petter, VP EMEA Sales at Snowflake. James, such a pleasure to have you on the program.
Good to see you. Good to see you.
You know, I know you recently joined Snowflake. In your role of head of EMEA Sales, what's your top priority?
So really, I think the main thing for me is I've been doing a lot of observing because when you've come into a company, I've only been here since July. It's kind of finding out what's the structure, what are the people like, what's our go-to-market, and really it's just been understanding for the moment, whilst also getting familiar with what we offer to the market. So it's been a great few months, loved it, but I'm getting to that place now where we're doing action. Right.
I want to dive into the details a little bit in regards to your customers in Europe. What specific regional challenges are they facing, and how does Snowflake help drive impact for them really on a day-to-day basis?
Yeah, so I think, I'm sure you're pretty familiar with Europe. Every country has a different way of doing things, but the consistent themes are really, why should I go with you when I've already got this? And that kind of comes back to the core message around Snowflake. Build a data strategy, consolidate your data on a single platform whilst giving yourself resiliency across the cloud vendors, and then be able to then run workloads against that data. So it's really, understand your client and their nuances whilst delivering the value that Snowflake can give them.
Top of mind across the board is Gen AI and LLMs. From your standpoint, now with individuals being involved outside of the tech world, how is the data cloud adapting to this ever-changing environment?
So I think we got to really categorize what we mean, because before you can start doing AI and LLMs, you've actually got to get the client on the platform, get them using it. And then once you've consolidated and cleansed your data, you're then able to do more intelligent things with it. So I think whilst we can have this direction around AI and LLM, there are many steps you've got to go through to be able to reach the promised land. So it's a complex discussion, but we've got to make sure we do things properly from the start.
James, as you can hear, the buzz is all around us.
Very noisy.
The Data Cloud ecosystem is all present here at Data Cloud World Tour London. What are you hearing and what excites you most about this next chapter?
Well, so firstly, we got 2,000 people here. This is...
I believe it.
So I think the buzz really is that, Snowflake and the relevance of what we're trying to deliver to our clients. The simple thing, build a data strategy, share your data, build native applications on Snowflake. All of these elements are, really how companies should be looking at how to use their data and monetize their data and share their data with their partners. So, Snowflake is in a really sweet spot, as illustrated just by the sheer number of people we got here.
An exciting next chapter here for Snowflake. Any final remarks you'd like to deliver here to the audience watching here today?
Well, just really, we're really excited about what we can do in Europe. We'd love it if our clients could come and talk to us, because we believe we got incredible relevance and incredible value to what they are trying to do, and hopefully going to make their use of data more effective and easier.
Sounds fantastic. Thank you so much for joining me on Data Cloud Now, James.
Great, thanks, Ryan.
And for the audience watching, I'm Ryan Green with Data Cloud Now. I'll see you soon.